Sponsors can work most effectively with the CRO by aligning us into their short-term and long-term goals. It's very important that we know what the sponsor is aiming towards. A lot of times they keep that internal at the sponsor side, but it's really helpful for us to know what milestone they need to meet by a certain part of the year. Oftentimes it just takes a tiny change on our end to help deliver the study so that they can achieve those goals, but if we don't know what their goals are, then we're not able to help them along that journey.
There are two things I think about when I'm beginning a trial. One, am I going to have a coordinator who's trained and really wants to be part of the study and hopefully stay through the entire study? And two, recruitment. Those are key issues. There are plenty of others, but those are two that I think about. In terms of how a CRO can help me, they should help the coordinator get going. Some of them are more experienced than others. Some have a lot of questions, but might not ask them. So they really need to reach out and make sure they're trained and all their questions are answered. The other one is recruitment. I think one of the shortcomings of a lot of clinical trials is not enough attention is made on how we should recruit. So I look for the CRO to give me good ideas on recruitment, maybe even run a national campaign if that's appropriate, to see if we can get the most patients as quickly as possible that are appropriate for the clinical trial. So great fun to do a clinical trial, especially if you have a great coordinator, great recruitment plan, and a terrific CRO to work with.
Choosing a CRO, it's about bringing the best of breed and being a really good integrator of different capabilities. Those are capabilities that we have, partners that we engage with to deliver on your clinical trials, and being able to manage that entire ecosystem for you. So when you're choosing a CRO, you need to assess them on their ability to communicate, their ability to deliver on the contract that you have entrusted in them. That's no easy feat. And so it's also about enjoying the people that you work with. These are people you're going to spend a lot of time with. So for me, when choosing a CRO, it's not always about dollars and cents. It should be about the people on the other side.
I think the most important thing for sponsors when they're planning their clinical research study is balancing time, quality, and cost. So, they want to have the best quality study possible, high data integrity, good quality data, prioritizing patient safety. They want to do it within a reasonable budget, within a planned budget, and they also want to do it quickly. And I think for those of us on the business side, what we're taught is you can have something fast, you can have something good, or you can have something cheap. You have to pick two, but you're never going to get all three. And I think the optimal thing for sponsors is to not compromise and to find a CRO partner who's willing to work with you so that you can have all of those three things for your study. You can have a top quality study, you can have it delivered on budget and on time.